Introducing a one-of-a-kind racing mod for Teardown. Stadium Racing. Featuring 12 varied tracks. From the simple yet fun oval, the drift-friendly bunny hop, to the treacherous roller coaster. Inspired by Trackmania and BeamNG Grid, experience the thrill, the skill, the absolutely janky physics of Teardown. Featuring multiplayer with optional collision and optional car damage. 2 methods of scoring, race mode for first to finish, or time attack mode for fastest lap speed. Take a drive on the craziest racing tracks ever featured in Teardown. Check out Stadium Racing today.